In this video, I'll show you how to use sniping tool in Chromebook. So what you need to do, come on here. I'm going to show you something now. Open up sniping tool. So this is going to open up. So this is, I think, the other sniping tool. So this is, if you love to screen record, you can be able to screen record. So this is a new screen record. So once you tap on it, you can be able to screen record if you want. But I'm not going to do this. I'm going to just cancel this. So you can see it's still recording. Then if you love to take a screenshot, you can be able to use this as well to take a quick screenshot. So this is how you can basically do this. So if you look right now, you can be able to save it from this option. You can be able to edit it to this option. You can be able to as well check the sniping areas, add timer. So this is how I can be able to do this. So if you click on it, it's going to be able to see different settings from the zoom, show ruler, all of this. So if you find this video helpful, subscribe.